car accident can happen when you least expect it. Do you know exactly what to do in that moment? Most people panic, make legal mistakes, or forget to collect important info. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on what to do after a car accident based on legal insights and real-world experience. Stick around, these tips could save you a lot of stress and money. Step 1. Ensure safety first. What's the first thing you should do after a crash? Your safety and the safety of others is always the priority. If the accident isn't severe, quickly check if you or your passengers are injured. Then check on the other party, are they okay? If nobody's seriously hurt, can you move the vehicle to the side? In some countries like the US, you should move it to avoid blocking traffic. But in others like Germany or China, the law says to leave it as it is until the police arrive. Do you know what your country requires? Step 2. Report to police. Should you always call the police even for a small accident? The answer is yes. In most countries, it's highly recommended or even required. Even if there are no injuries, getting a police report protects you legally. The officer will document the scene and help determine who's at fault. This report is often essential when you deal with insurance. And here's a mistake many people make. Never agree to settle privately without reporting, especially if there's damage. In some places, that could be considered a hit and run. Would you want to risk a criminal record just to avoid paperwork? Step 3. Collect evidence that helps you. If you had to prove what really happened, do you have the proof? This is where evidence matters most. Take clear photos and videos of everything. The cars, the road, the damage, the traffic signs, and even the skid marks. Was anyone watching the accident happen? Get their names and phone numbers. Witnesses can be very helpful. And if you have a dash cam, save the footage right away. It can show your speed, position, and whether anyone broke a traffic rule. Wouldn't you want that kind of solid proof on your side? Step 4. Stay calm when talking to others. What's one thing you should never say at the scene? I'm sorry. Even if you didn't mean it that way, it can be taken as an admission of guilt. Instead, just explain what happened clearly. For example, say, I was going straight on green and the other driver turned suddenly. Avoid saying things like, maybe I wasn't paying attention, because that can backfire. Talk to police honestly, but don't make guesses. Only share what you know for sure. Why risk making things worse with one wrong sentence? Step 5. Inform your insurance company. How soon should you call your insurance company after a crash? The sooner, the better. In many countries, you're required to report it within 24 hours. Send them the photos, the police report number, and explain what happened. Make sure you describe the events in a clear, truthful, and logical order. Your insurance payout depends on what you say. Step 6. Contact a legal practitioner if things get serious. When should you call a legal practitioner? If someone's injured, the other driver demands a lot of money, or police start talking about criminal charges, don't wait. Language barrier? Not sure what to do next? Call a professional who can guide you or speak for you. A legal practitioner can help draft a simple accident statement and prep you for any follow-up calls or investigations. Isn't it better to have legal backup before things get messy? Here's the bonus tips. Can staying calm actually protect you? Absolutely. In every accident I've seen, the people who stayed calm, quiet, and collected had a huge advantage, legally and emotionally. If the other party gets angry or starts yelling, don't engage. No fighting, no pushing, no shouting. It's not worth it. And if you ever feel like the crash was fake or staged, like a scam, keep your distance, collect as much proof as you can, and call the police immediately. Do you feel more prepared now to handle a car accident the right way? These steps may sound simple, but they can protect your safety, your wallet, and your legal rights. Share your experience in the comments. You never know who you might help. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on automotives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.